Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru. We are starting a new session on current affairs. If you like the video, you can press the like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel for sure. You will get the notification of all the exam relevant videos if you are a subscribed student. So subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, we are starting the session. I couldn't upload the video because of high fever. I'm alright, sort of alright now, but the coughing problem is there, and probably in between the video I may cough, so apologizing in advance. Start writing. All the points are very, very important. You cannot classify, you cannot say that this point is less important and this point is more important. So start writing from the very first point. The first point says that the team that has recently won. You may consider it only one question, but this is not just one question. I would actually tell you why. The first question is that Hockey World League Tournament 2017 won by Australia, which is just there in front of you. Where did it take place? Hockey World League Tournament held at Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is in Odisha. Second question. The third question will that be? The third question is going to be Australia beat Argentina in final. That means it was Australia versus Argentina. Argentina was beaten by Australia. That is why Australia could win that Hockey World League tournament held at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. First question, second question, third question, Argentina was beaten by Australia. And please don't forget that India got bronze in this Hockey World League tournament. India got bronze. So all the four questions are important. That's Z, BRONZE. So the team that has recently won was Hockey World League Tournament, Australia. Australia beat Argentina, held at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. India got bronze in it. The next question is Vyas Samman. Vyas Samman is actually Vyas Samman is basically awarded, is a literary award in India. We all know that. It is actually given for the exemplary contribution in Hindi. I'm just writing Hindi beside the words Vyas Samman so that you can associate that Vyas Samman is for Hindi. And if the exemplary contribution is there in Hindi, then in that case that person gets, Vyas Samman. That is actually given by the KK Birla Foundation annually. KK Birla Foundation is important. For Hindi it is provided, that is also important. And it was received by Mamta Kalia for her book Dukham Sukham. Dukham Sukham, Mamta Kalia received Vyas Samman. Dukham Sukham, Mamta Kalia received this award, Vyas Samman. The Silence Breakers got the Time Magazine's Person of the Year 2017 award. And please understand that you may feel that Person of the Year title should be given to the person only, and here we are talking about the entire group. Please understand, silence breakers, those who spoke out against sexual assault and harassment, they got the title of such repute, Times Person of the Year. Times Person of the Year. That is why the silence breakers, they are those people who spoke out against sexual assault and harassment. So silence breakers got Time Magazine's Person of the Year award. Ajay Warrior. You can even make out by just reading the name that it is between India for sure. So India and UK, United Kingdom, India and UK, that's a joint military training exercise. As you can see, you can make out by just looking at the picture. It's a joint military training exercise, Ajay Warrior, between India and United Kingdom. First question, India and United Kingdom, recent, joint military exercise, you need to name it. Then in that case, Ajay Warrior. Bikaner, Rajasthan is the place where it took place. So this training exercise was conducted at Bikaner, Rajasthan. Snehlata Srivastav, she has recently been appointed, Secretary General of Lok Sabha. You may feel why this kind of question is important. You need to understand that she is the first woman Secretary General. First woman Secretary General. Here the word woman is important. I hope you can understand the significance of the question now. Snehlata Srivastav has been recently appointed Secretary General of Lok Sabha, and she is the first woman Secretary General of the Lok Sabha. That is why this question is important for you. Konark Dance Festival is associated with the state of Odisha. Nothing, that you cannot keep in your mind. As you guys are aware, when we refer to Konark Temple, Konark Sun Temple, whenever this word appears just in front of us, we relate this word straight away with Odisha. That is why Konark Sun Temple is in Odisha. Then we can easily relate that Konark Dance Festival is also associated with Odisha. The Hornbill Festival. This Hornbill Festival is also known as Festival of Festivals. This Hornbill Festival is also known as Festival of Festivals. And if it is known as Festival of Festivals, it is associated with some state also. That's Nagaland. They can ask you the question in this manner as well. Like, what is known as Festival of Festivals? Then the answer is going to be Hornbill Festival. And if they mention the state, or if they ask you the state, you need to know it is related with Nagaland. Hornbill Festival, Festival of Festivals, and associated with Nagaland. Indian weightlifter who has recently won the gold medal at the 2017 IWF World Weightlifting Championship, that's Mirabai Chanu. IWF World Weightlifting Championship held at Anaheim, US. Anaheim, US, Indian weightlifter, she won gold at, World Weightlifting Championship. So IWF World Weightlifting Championship, Anaheim, US, that's the place where it, where it took place, where it was held actually. And Mirabai Chanu, she is the Indian weightlifter who could actually, bag gold. The next question is Mohammed Al Jaun. He's from Syria. And he won International Children's Peace Prize. International Children's Peace Prize, Mohammed Al Jaun. Indian sports person who has recently launched the UNICEF's ICC campaign. And what's that? That's Power of Sports to Shape the Future of Adolescents. And this campaign of UNICEF, ICC campaign of UNICEF, obviously Indian sports person who has recently launched it. It was launched by Mr. Yuvraj Singh. 5th December, we observe this date as World Soil Day. World Soil Day is observed on 5th December. The captain of the Indian team for ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2018, that's Prithvi Shaw. You need to know that this ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2018 is going to be held in New Zealand. Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2018 is going to be held in New Zealand, and the one who's going to head the Indian team, the one who's going to be the captain of Indian team, that's Prithvi Shaw. The first state to set up a green university in India. Don't misunderstand the words green university. Green university means Environmental Studies University, and the first state to set up such kind of university, that's West Bengal. The first state to set up a Green University in India, Environmental Studies University, that's West Bengal. UNESCO has included Kumbh Mela on 2017 India list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Please understand that's the name of the list. Intangible, you cannot do away with the name. You have to learn it. That's intangible cultural heritage of humanity, because students get afraid when they read such a name. Intangible cultural heritage of humanity, that's the India list, and Kumbh Mela got a place here. UNESCO has included Kumbh Mela on 2017 India list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The venue of second World Conference on Tourism and Culture, that's Muscat, Oman. The venue of second UNWTO or UNESCO World Conference on Tourism and Culture, that's Muscat, Oman. So the venue of second World Conference on Tourism and Culture, the place was Muscat, Oman. Alright, let's start the revision. Stay put. You have to rewatch so that you can keep all the names in your mind. Hockey World League Tournament held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Australia beat Argentina. India got bronze. Dukham Sukham, Mamta Kalia, for her book Dukham Sukham, she got Vyasamman. The Silence Breakers, per Time Magazine's Person of the Year. Ajay Warrior between India and United Kingdom held at Bikaner, Rajasthan. Snehlata Srivastav, recently appointed Secretary General of Lok Sabha. She is the first woman Secretary General of the Lok Sabha. Konark Dance Festival is associated with Odisha. Hornbill Festival, Festival of Festivals, is associated with Nagaland. Mirabai Chanu is a weightlifter, Indian weightlifter. She won gold. She won gold medal. So IWF World Weightlifting Championship, Indian weightlifter, she won gold at it. That's Mirabai Chanu. Mohammed Al Jonde. He's from Syria and he got International Children's Peace Prize. Indian sportsperson who has recently launched the UNICEF ICC's campaign Power of Sports to Shape Future of Adolescents, Yuvraj Singh. World Soil Day 5th December. ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2018, which is going to be held in New Zealand, and the captain of Indian team will be Prithvi Shaw. First state to set up Green University or Environmental Studies University, that's West Bengal. Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity list. Kumbh Mela, has got a place in it. Muscat, Oman, where World Conference on Tourism and Culture of UNWTO UNESCO took place. Thanks a lot. We are wrapping it up.